How to complete no-shows. First, log into your MyPPCC portal and select Post Final Grades/no-shows on your dashboard. Next, select the current term for which you're completing no-shows, and then press Submit. Then select your course. After you select your course, press Submit. On the next screen, you'll have a full list of the students currently in your class. For the students for which you're completing a no-show, be sure to put a 0 in the attended hours column. Remember, you only need to put a 0 in the attended hours column for students that you are planning on no-showing. There's no need to enter anything else onto this document. So carefully go through and be sure to find the student for which you're entering a no-show 0. Enter your zeros. Ensure that you selected the correct students, and when you've done so, go to the bottom of the page and press Submit. You'll see a message that says please submit grades often, and you'll also notice that the zeros that you entered will have turned into 0.00. These students will be no-showed from your course. After you've completed this, you want to print a copy of this no-show submission so that you can submit it to your division shell. There are several ways to do this, but in Google Chrome, you want to right-click on any part of the screen and press Print, and then from there you want to print to Microsoft PDF. Press Print. Be sure to save this document in a place that you'll easily find it, and I would also name it something that's easy to remember, preferably your course name and the semester, and then make sure you label what it is. No-shows. You've completed your no-shows, and your next step is to submit records of your no-shows to the division shell.